Akanksha and Essas don't have much uh, in common because when you go and I mean I don't want to reveal much about the character because there are a lot of surprise elements to her. So, but there are definitely some instances where I read the script and I was like, oh, I relate. I mean, this is exactly. I mean, I can understand what she's saying and I get what she's saying. But I feel like Akanksha is much more cool than Essas, and Akanksha is somebody that I aspire to be. She's more confident, she's more fun, and but yeah, I think she's cooler than Essas for sure.
So I don't think I really relate to Navamita's character. She's a very different kind of person with very different fears and just like life choices. But I think I relate to her in terms of emotions because there are certain emotions that you pick up and you're like, yeah, this is an emotion that I can sort of feed onto. But yeah, like Esa said about Kansha, I think that some aspects of Navamita are really badass, and I'm like, I would never be able to do this.
I have never been to a hostel in my life, but through the show, I was able to experience some of those things and live hostel life. What I actually remember is that I always feared going to a hostel because my sister had gone to a hostel. She lived all her life in a hostel, like all her I think 5 6 years she's lived in hostel, and my mom used to like tell me if I did something wrong, she would come and tell me कि अगर तूने ये किया तो मैं तुझे hostel भेज दूँगी. So it was almost like a so I always feared going like hostel was like jail for me for some reason. But now that I actually watch these shows and I've been a part of the show, I realized that it's a whole different experience. It's a wonderful life and something that you must experience. And I got to, and I feel like I'm lucky that I was able to. Some I don't think entirely, but there was some instances and some experiences that I got, and I'm very happy about that.
So I did my engineering, but I actually like I didn't go to hostel because it was in Pune where I'm from, and but I had really close friends in the hostel. Also, पुणे में ऐसा होता है कि तुम scarves पहनते हो जब तुम bike पे होते हो. Like it's a very like Pune thing. And like you're practically covering your whole face. So like people used to enter like that, like the hostel on their bikes and then like go up like that. So I think that's the only way we could sneak into the hostel. So every time like we hit bunked and I just wanted to sleep or something, we had like this thing and then be like, warden dekh rahi hai, nahi dekh rahi hai, tum jaldi se upar chale jao. So I think once I had snuck in and I spent the night at the hostel because I just really wanted to because my parents had said, no, I will just stay in the hostel. It's in Pune. So I think that was really fun for me.
I think every project that I do, I learn a lot from it. Every character that I play is always different from the characters that I've played in the past, and it's very different from me. So I get to learn a lot in general, a lot. And I think it also depends on the people that you surround yourself with during the process. And I think uh, this time I had some really cool people around me. I had others, I had Shubham, Love, Nikhil, and Ayushi, and everybody had something to themselves, and I could pick things from each person, and I think that is something that I try to do every time. So yes, I got to like बहुत सी चीजें हैं. I think Ayushi is somebody who's always uh, she's always trying to bring something, add something to the scene and her character. Like it's not just improvisation; it's also the reactions that she gives, or her approach towards the scene. So that is something that I learned from her. And other, she's somebody who is a phenomenal actor, and he's not thinking about anything else. He's always into his scene and into his character. And he's again then at the same time really cool person to hang out with. So ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें हैं I learn with every project.
I think it has a lot to do with what Esa said. Also, like I think the kind of projects you pick, a lot of them are very different in that very core element, right? Like this is in a little bit of a in a comedy space, and it's difficult. Comedy is actually really difficult to pull off, and that is something like तुम्हें लगता है कि हाँ ये वाला तो इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा, but like for me personally, I realized that that was a little more difficult. So I think I learned a lot simply because it wasn't one of my strengths. and that had a lot to do with the people, because I think none of these people are selfish actors. They're all amazing to work with. Like if Esas and I are doing a scene, and I'm like, what if I add this? And she'll be like, yeah, that sounds. What if you want to take it this way? Things like that I think are very important, because nobody's trying to steal from each other here. You're just trying to help everybody grow. And this has been consistent with all the actors. Like every time I had a problem with a scene or couldn't figure out how to do it, I just do it with one of my co-actors, and it was always supremely helpful. Plus, like our directors were so collaborative. The writers have done a phenomenal job. So overall, I think this was learning to tha, but I don't even think we realized how much we were learning because it was also so much fun.
I think this is something I've never given a thought to. It's I forget that I have, uh, I've worked in the past, or I've been working since a young age. Every project or anything that I do, I have a whole different approach towards it. It's a new thing for me. I'm as nervous as anybody else is, or as I'm trying to do my best, and I'm always impressed by others, and I'm seeing कि अरे ये कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, ये कितनी अच्छी कर रही है. So I'm always like that. So I don't think it's something that I consciously think that I have an edge or anything. I don't think I do. So मतलब I never thought about it. I think the reason I connected with this person is because I knew him for a very long time. I worked with Adarsh in the past, so that connection with him was there already. It's not a thing that I had to make. So even in the first season when I was shooting, I think he was the only person I was close to, or I was talking to, or I was friends with. So, but here I think I got a chance to connect with everybody, and I got to spend a lot of time with everyone and bond with everyone. And Ayushi and I have had the maximum time that we've spent with each other. So I think after Adarsh and Ayushi is somebody that I have connected the most with. Okay,
It's uncanny because I think my answer is the same. I think because season one, I only had scenes with Adarsh, this one, the wonderful actor called Ranjan, and then I had one scene with all the boys. But so I think Adarsh and Nikhil are people that I sort of bonded with, and season two, I bonded with everybody. Esas and I got to spend a lot of time together. So that was a lot of fun because we had a lot of scenes together, and then we were chilling in the vanity together, and there's a lot of time. So I was just like, what a cutie. So I think that was nice.
yeah. I think we've not watched the show at all, so we will watch it for the first time on the 23rd too, and I'm really looking forward to it. I really want to see how it's turned out. But on paper and the way we've shot it, it's definitely funny and it's very entertaining, and I hope people will like it. And yeah, I hope we've lived it up to the expectations of everybody who was expecting a season two. So let's see.